Today we've got a massive leak on top of a trailer, and we're gonna go ahead and try to seal it up. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and the top had come off, so I'm gonna pull it back up here. I'm gonna seal it with some roofing tar first, and then I'm gonna simply drill it down. I'm gonna drill a hole and then put a screw in there to keep it from coming back up. Okay, let's see how that works.
Action.
So what what I'm doing now is I'm creating a seal because the top actually blew off of here. So if I just place it back up here, water would probably get in through the seal, and so I'm just gonna seal it with some roofing tar and seal it in place, create a waterproof seal all the way around it. Just get a generous amount all the way around, so that again, purpose of this is to make sure that water doesn't seep through. That's good. Created a seal around the whole top, and I've drilled it, put some screws in it, and then I covered where I drilled it with some roof putty. Now it's sturdy, won't move, and it has a seal all the way around. That should hold it. All right, thanks. That's it.